Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve the LeetCode question valid anagram. Okay, the problem statement says that given two strings s and t, return true if t is an anagram of s and false otherwise. Okay, so basically, an anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase using all the original letters exactly once. I hope after going through this definition, you know what an anagram is. So, do you know that the word anagram is itself an anagram? Okay, let's just check. Okay, Nagaram. Okay, anagram and Nagaram are anagrams. Okay, let's see. We just cut this. We put it over here. We cut this. We put it over here. Boom. So we got anagram, right? That's how we create anagrams. I hope you have understood. And yeah, if it is an anagram, we just return true. I mean, if the two strings are anagrams of each other, we return true, else we return false. Rat and car are obviously not anagrams, so yeah, that's why we return false. And yeah, an important thing to note is the constraints. Over here are given that S and T consist of lowercase English letters only. We can take advantage of this. And I will later move on to the follow-up. First of all, let's look at the brute force way. Okay, the easiest way to approach this problem is by using sorting. However, we can't sort the strings directly. We need to convert them to a character array. Okay, so we just say like s_char equals s2char array char tchar equals t2char array. Okay, arrays dot sort, and yeah, we are going to like sort s_char. We are also going to sort tchar. Sort tchar. Now we're just gonna return arrays dot equals. If both s_char and tchar are equal, then we just return true, else we return false, right? However, we also can check, okay, if the length of array, okay, if the length of the strings are not equal, then we just return false, because there's no way two anagrams can have, there is absolutely no way that two anagrams can have different length of characters. Okay, I hope this runs. Let's just hit submit. Okay, this gets submitted. Okay, yeah, but okay, well, the time complexity is O of n log n plus m log m. Okay, this is the time complexity, where n is the length of the string s and m is the length of the string t. The space is it could be like O of 1 or O of n, depending on the sorting algorithm used. Okay, but we can do it in better time. Okay, so yeah, let's just look at the approach. We know that over here s and t consist of lowercase English letters only, and we know that there are only 26 alphabets, so there can only be 26 lowercase English alphabets. So we can take advantage of this fact. So let's just create an array. First of all, we name it frig equals new int. This is going to be 26 because there are only 26 English alphabets. Okay, and yeah, so basically we just okay, for char c s2char array. Okay, so yeah, frick C minus A plus plus for char C, T to char array. Okay, this is going to be frig, and yeah, C minus A minus minus. Okay, and now we're just gonna say like for no, okay, no, for int f of frig, if f not equals 0, then we should return false, because this is not an anagram. Else we should return true. Okay, if we made this file, we should return true. I hope this works. Okay, this gets accepted. Let's just hit submit. Okay, it also gets submitted. So yeah, we make use of frequency array, character array. However, in the follow-up, we are given that we are asked, what if the inputs contain Unicode characters? How would you adapt your solution to such a case? If the input were only lowercase English alphabets, then it was pretty easy because there are only 26 lowercase English alphabets. However, there are millions of Unicode characters, and this frequency array of size 26 would not fit all of them. Okay, so the best approach in this situation would to use hash map. Okay, let's just create a map, and yeah, we're going to map character and its count. It's going to be integer. We just name it map equals new hash map. Okay. Okay. So right now, what we're going to do is for char C, as to char array. Let's see. Okay. We're just gonna say like map.put C comma, okay, map.get or default. Okay, this is going to be C comma 0 plus 1. Okay, we actually need two maps. Okay, we actually need two maps, so we just name it like smap. Okay, this is going to be smap. Okay, for this we actually need like two maps, so yeah, and yeah, we should create like another map as well. Map, okay, this is going to be character integer, and we're just gonna name it tmap equals new hash map. Okay, pretty cool. And yeah, we just create like, we just iterate over t to char array. And yeah, we just do like tmap.put C comma tmap.get or default, this is going to C comma 0 plus 1, right? Now we just check if return smap dot equal the equal tmap. Okay, hope this is this. Okay, this is probably like t to char array. This needs to be C, I'm sorry. Okay, this is probably equals then. Okay, that's great. And yeah, it submits as well. So that's how we would handle Unicode characters, because there could be millions of Unicode characters. In case of lowercase English alphabets, there were only 26 of them. Okay, that's how we solve the question valid anagram.